First degree Taylor polynomial. So, what is a first degree Taylor polynomial? Same as a Taylor series. For f of x equals x e to the x about x equals 1. Okay, so first degree Taylor polynomial is just x to the first power. So it's a linear approximation. It's a line. So first thing we want to do is remember what the definition of a Taylor series is. So that is something along the lines of f to the nth derivative of a, where a is what it's about, times x minus a to the n all over n factorial. So from there, we're going to do, and this is adds up all the n's. N equals 1 to, no, n equals 0 to infinity. But since we only want x to the first power, the first degree, so we'll do n equals 0 and 1. So what we want to do then is find, so we have f of x equals x e to the x. Then we want f prime of x. I'll erase this for now, just to clear up the board space. So to do this, we're going to have to do the product rule. So as you remember, if you have u times v derivative, uv prime plus u prime v, you can tell I'm very much right-handed. So we'll say that x is u, so we'll have x e to the x, okay, plus u prime, which is derivative of x, which is 1, times e to the x, which is e to the x, x plus 1. Okay? Then it's about x equals 1, so we want to plug in, so a for our Taylor series is 1, so f of a is f of 1, which is e to the first. F prime of 1 is 2, 1 plus 1, e to the first. Okay? And so when we put these together, we're going to have e to the first times x minus plus 1 to the 0, which is just going to be 1, over 0 factorial, plus 2e x plus 1 to the first over 1 factorial. So 1 factorial and 0 factorial are both just 1. And so when we simplify this, we will get, that goes to 1, that goes to 1, that also goes to 1. We have e plus 2e times x plus 1. Yep, let's see if that's an answer. Minus 1. Yep, it's supposed to be minus 1. Yep, I did that about part incorrect. So when you do the Taylor series, it's supposed to be f to the nth derivative of a times x minus a, where the about term you do minus. So I was backwards on that. Whoop, minus. Minus. All right, so e to the 2e x minus 1. Yep. And so this would be the answer. Yep. And that's how you do a Taylor series. The reason this one is probably only the first degree is because taking another derivative, a second derivative of this, would probably get a little bit cumbersome. So that's why when you see a multiple choice problem like this, you only have like 2 minutes, maybe 3 minutes if it's the calculator problem. But you're not going to have a lot of time. So doing a Taylor series in 2 minutes, it's pretty challenging in life. So that is how you do a first degree Taylor polynomial.